Hello, my name is Liam. What's your name?
Hi, Liam. My name is Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. How old are you?
I'm 28 years old. And you?
I'm 31. Where are you from?
I'm from London. What about you?
I'm from Dublin, in Ireland. Do you live here now?
Yes. I moved here 2 years ago for work.
Oh, me too. What do you do?
I work in marketing. And you?
I'm a graphic designer. I make logos and posters.
That's cool. What are your hobbies?
I like music and photography. And you?
I like reading and painting. Sometimes I watch cooking shows.
Nice. What's your favorite color?
My favourite colour is green. What's yours?
Blue. I love the color of the sky and the sea.
That's beautiful. What's your favourite food?
I love pizza and sushi. What about you?
I like pasta. I can eat pasta every day.
Haha, me too. Do you play any sports?
Not really. I do yoga sometimes.
That's good. I play football with my friends on weekends.
Nice. What time do you wake up every day?
At 7 a.m., I drink coffee and start work. What about you?
I wake up at 6:30. I do yoga and then have breakfast.
Wow, that's healthy. What do you do after work?
I watch movies or paint. And you?
I cook dinner and play guitar.
You play guitar? That's amazing.
Yeah, just for fun. I can play some easy songs.
That's so nice. Maybe one day you can play for me.
Haha, sure, but you have to paint something for me too.
Deal. That sounds fun.
Great. It was nice talking to you, Emma.
Nice talking to you too, Liam. See you soon.
Actually, before you go, do you like traveling?
Oh, yes, I love traveling. I try to visit one new country every year.
That's awesome. Where did you go last time?
Last year I went to Italy. The food was amazing and the people were very friendly.
Italy. Wow, I've always wanted to go there. Did you see Rome?
Yes, I saw Rome, Venice, and Florence. It was beautiful. What about you? Do you travel much?
Not as much as I want to, but I went to Spain 2 years ago. The beaches were great.
Oh, I'd love to go to Spain one day.
Maybe we can travel together sometime.
Haha, that would be fun.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I watch a lot of movies. I like romantic comedies and adventure films.
Same here. I love watching action movies, but sometimes I watch comedies too.
Do you go to the cinema often?
Not really. I usually watch movies at home. What about you?
I prefer the cinema. I love the big screen and popcorn.
Haha, popcorn makes everything better.
True. Do you watch any TV shows?
Yeah, I'm watching a show called Planet Earth right now. It's about nature and animals.
Oh, I love that one. The photography is amazing.
Exactly. It makes me want to travel more and see all those places.
Me too. I like learning about different cultures.
By the way, do you like pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna. She's very cute and playful.
Oh, nice. I have a dog named Max. He's a golden retriever.
Oh, I love golden retrievers. They're so friendly.
Yeah, Max is like my best friend. I take him for a walk every morning.
That's so sweet. I play with Luna after work. She always sits near my laptop.
Sounds like. They'd be great friends if they met.
Maybe one day.
You know, this podcast was a really fun idea.
Yeah, it's great to talk and learn about each other.
Exactly. Maybe next time we can talk about travel tips or food from different countries.
That would be great. I can share my pasta recipe.
Perfect. I'll bring my guitar and sing something Italian then.
Deal. That sounds like a plan.
Thanks for joining today, Emma.
Thank you, Liam. See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.